Hi everyone, Decent Turtle Dove. How's everyone doing today? It's a Saturday, almost lunchtime actually, 5 to 12. Hubby is at work, unfortunately, boo-hoo. And anyway, I thought I would do a couple of videos for both my channels, and I want to show you this diamond painting which I purchased in store from Big W. It was during the Black Friday sales, and it's still, I had a look online and it's still for sale. Now let me have a look because I've already forgotten. Now I bought this for $22. Diamond paintings are very overpriced here in Australia in the stores. It's normally, what is it normally? Let's scroll down. $45 normally, so I saved $23, and I'll just show you. It's still on sale. It says online only, but I bought this one in store. I think it was the last one, so I don't know if they've restocked, but I thought that was a reasonable bargain. And let's have a look. This is from, it's called Cafe at Night, and I've had my eye on these for a while. That's the design. You can see that little thumbnail there, where my finger is, just there in that corner. So it's sort of like a street scene with buildings, which I love buildings. So, and this one, what's the size? Does it have the size anywhere? 49.5 by 60 centimetres. So it's a reasonable size, not too big. I have done a lot bigger. And yeah, I thought we would open this together. I'm excited to see the vibrant colours. So I did. Some of you that follow me, you may know that I did a huge, it's half the size of this table, diamond painting from the Diamond Art Club, and I think it was called Vibrant Italy, and that is just an amazing scene of buildings and yeah, beautiful, beautiful diamond painting. I still haven't framed that one, but anyway, I'm going to readjust the camera and show you. Just before I do though, I might open it here because it's probably going to be a bit of a bigger, not too big but still bigger diamond painting, and I'll just show you what is in the kit, and then we'll have a closer look at the drills. I think I've opened it right. No, I didn't have to do that at all. Silly me. But I do need it because I've just, about an hour ago, I put some nail polish on, and I don't want to ruin them. Tell you what, they make them hard to open, which is good. You don't want everything falling everywhere. So what was it called? Cafe at Night by is it Van Gogh? It's G-O-G-H, or Van Gogh. I would say Van Gogh, but a lot of the time I butcher names. Okay. So I like the boxes because you can always roll up your finished canvas, but roll it the opposite way, and then store it in the box that it came in until you can frame it. So, okay, this is the canvas, and you get the drills and your boat. So I'll just open it up and have a look at the boat. I'm going to have lunch after this. I'm getting hungry. Okay, so just the same, a boring grey colour though. It'd be nice to have different coloured boats. I'm used to the, is it the green boats, yeah. At least it's a little bit different than green, but just a regular boat. You have, oh, the pen has some glitter in through it, some silver glitter. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. I'll show you closer. And then a comfy, what do you call these? A grip, hand grip or something, or pen grip, just for comfort, to put over the pen. A little pot of wax. It's nice I've put it in a little pot. And some multi-places as well. So it looks like maybe a 5-placer and, oh, it's a 5-placer I think, and then a straightener. But I'll show you that close up and then you get some baggies. And just while I have the camera zoomed out and you can see more, I'll just quickly open the canvas. Oh, this is going to be nice. So I'm going to have to straighten this out. I might do this over the summer, I think. It's not too big. So that's it there. I think it's a nice size. Not too big and not too small. Because the thing is, if you have them too small, you're going to lose a lot of detail. I just roll them the opposite way, except this one doesn't want to do it. Just has to relax a little bit, so. But yeah, that's the design. So I'm going to readjust the camera and we'll have a closer look at the drills. Okay, I'll have this facing you the correct way. And let's just see the drill field. Nice and sticky. The glue's really nice. Really nice. I'll do the rest later, but that's the picture. The further away you are, the more clearer it looks. But it's just the style. It's so vibrant. I love it. I love the rich colours. Now, what is this? This is a... Oh, these are all in different languages. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... Wow, so many languages. About 8 different languages. Just the instructions. Oh my goodness. Care instructions, kit contents, welcoming you to the Diamond Dots craft, and it gives you instructions from 1 to 12, and they have a tip here. It is recommended to start at the bottom edge of the design and work up. Well, that's so that you don't have to lean over the glue, I guess, so it's always handy to have the wax sheets. Diamonds can be repositioned after sticking, however it is recommended to avoid repositioning wherever possible. Yes, well, if you're used to diamond art, you know that. Sometimes the drills are very hard to remove, so other times they're easy. But it has the picture instructions here as well. So that's good. I just thought that they might have a bigger picture of the design, but you have that on the box. You have a thumbnail at the bottom and the side, and then you have the design at the front. So now I will just stand up and hopefully the camera won't go out of focus. I'll just give you a look at the drill field close up, how clear that is, and nice and sticky. It's really a good quality actually, and the canvas, it almost has like a sheer silky finish to the top. And it has a scalloped edge, and I guess that would be to stop fraying. So, love that. I'll just give you a closer look at the pen. You might see some of the glitter. There you go, you can just see a little bit over there. Looks like little silver speckles, so that's good. And while I'm here, I'll just see how many little discs of wax you get. 3, no, they're quite thick actually, you get 2, but that will be plenty. When I first started on painting, I was scared that I would use all the wax up, but I've never run out of wax. Of course, I've got so many spare wax little discs now that it wouldn't matter anyway. So if I give you some baggies as well for the drills, that's good. Oh, I'll fix that later, I'll be here forever. Now let's have a look at the drills. Now I might zoom the camera in a little bit and move this out of the way, otherwise it's going to distract from the colour of the drills. Okay. Right. Hopefully the camera will behave itself. Actually, I haven't told you how many colours there are. "31 colours. So that is just, I would like more, but for that particular design, I don't think it matters. Oh, and I see an AB. Ooh, that's exciting. Right, let's have a look at the colours. Okay, so we have the yellow and more of a peach, bright yellow, very happy, bright colour, that one. And browns, green, this one's a bit lighter. This one has more of a, I don't know what colour you would call that. They're similar, but this one is more, I don't know, olive almost. Red, look at that bright red. Orange, and another orange. It looks red on camera, but these are 2 oranges together. And that's that one. Black. 2 of the same. A forest green. Two. I think the same blue. 8, 1, 3, 1, 8130. No, they're different, but I was going to say, why didn't they just put them in one? But they are slightly different. That one's a little bit darker. You can actually see the difference more on camera than you can just me looking at them. That one's a lighter blue. Another green. This is more of a Christmas green. Burgundy. And grey. And another green. So very, very bright colours. Now this is for AB. It is 5005. Yay, I love ABs. I'm so happy that there's AB in here. The blue, sort of like a powder blue, that one. I think that's the only AB. Lots of blues. Are they the same? 8124, 8128, no. Brown, more blues, green, blue, sort of like a cherry, red, I don't know what you would call that colour. Is that the same as this one here? They're very similar. No, that one's darker than that one. So that's it. I'm so happy there's an AB in here. That will make it sparkle even more. So I'm sure I will come on and show you either when it's finished or do a whip and chat maybe. It depends because I'm going to have a bit of a break over Christmas. But I might come on to show you quickly some finished projects that I do as far as craft, diamond painting, cross stitch go. So anyway guys, that's it. Let me know what you think. Definitely liking this so far, and the drills look just as good quality as any. They're round, as you can see, but yeah, be interesting to see the finished design. So thanks for watching guys. Look after yourselves and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.